When you go positive to negative or negative to positive on any battery, it will be wired in series, and then it will double the voltage or multiply the voltage. See this wire here? This is the factory ground wire that came on this RV, and this red wire here is the factory hot wire, or the positive side of the 12 volt system that came factory with the RV. So this and this post, these two posts, if you take a meter to them, will read 12 volts. Negative, positive, positive to negative. This creates the 12. So these are the factory wiring. Now we have 12 volts for the trailer, and this is a huge upgrade.
Welcome back to Road Studying. Ben and Lauren here, and today we are going to do a review on the 6-volt golf cart batteries that we installed on our friend's wilderness travel trailer.
Now these batteries are really overkill for this application. Our friends are weekenders, and they typically stay at a park with power or full hookups. So they really only need these batteries to operate the jack to hook up to the trailer and power whatever they need to power on the way to the campground and from the campground back home. And they only travel a few hours each way. So this is a really extreme upgrade for them. And would I recommend doing it again for them? I don't. When these batteries reach the end of their life, when they can no longer hold a charge, I would recommend replacing them with the flooded version of this battery. Still an interstate battery, still a 6-volt, but the flooded version. Because they are on the exterior of the RV. We're not concerned with having batteries on the inside. The flooded batteries need to vent, and the flooded batteries are less expensive than the AGMs.